morning, Forge Face. This is the Forge. Welcome back. This is part 2. We're making Damascus. Step 1, we're going to light the forge. It has to get really hot, has to run for an hour. This is the forge. I made it out of a piece of truck reach, lined it with fire bricks. This is going to run for probably close to an hour before it's going to get hot enough. Forge weld? Yeah. Now we're going to take and put the billet in there. Ready to forge weld. Next thing, I'm going to take that, I'm going to straighten it out on the anvil and make a straight flat bar. Well, that was fun, hey? Here's the piece of steel we made, 30 inches of 27 layer Damascus. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Nice.